It's my honor to welcome you to the College of Health and Human Services at Bowling Green State University. At BGSU, you'll hear us say we're a public university for the public good. That means our students earn more than a degree. They're inspired to make their community a better place. As you begin your journey as a Falcon, you've chosen a program that, at its core, is aimed at serving others. That's what we do in the College of Health and Human Services. You'll have many opportunities during your time at BGSU to make a difference. From service projects, to internships, to cutting-edge research that changes the way we think. 4 years may seem like a long time, but it will go fast. Get involved early, join a student organization, or a learning community, or explore education abroad. You are already part of our college community. We're here for you, and we can't wait to see the difference you'll make and where you'll fly as a Falcon.